When water collects in a channel, it can follow two types of movement, which we shall term flow. If the water moves smoothly through the channel and follows generally straight line paths, we call this laminar flow. This can be seen even in molten rivers of lava. In Hawaii, lava erupts and flows down a channel near Kilauea volcano. Watch the straight path the lava takes. This demonstrates laminar flow. Water passing through a pipe moves through it very smoothly, with little turbulence or agitation. But if obstructions lie in the channel, or if the channel becomes rough or irregular, then the movement is called turbulent flow. Observe this river in Yellowstone National Park. Obstructions in the river disrupts the smooth, streamlined movement. Just a few miles down the river from this site, the river widens, and the water looks very smooth. The river is showing laminar flow, whereas this river is exhibiting turbulent flow. If water reaches extremely high speeds, it may exhibit jet or shooting flow. This occurs at waterfalls. This waterfall can be found at Yellowstone National Park. Movement of this water in the stream is called its velocity and is measured in terms of how far water travels in a given amount of time. So if the velocity is about 1.5 feet in 1 second, or approximately 1 mile per hour, the water is moving very slowly. If, on the other hand, the water is flowing 30 feet per second, the water is moving very fast, about 20 miles per hour. There are many factors which may influence a stream's velocity. These include the nature of the stream banks, the amount of water passing over a given point, and the gradient or slope of the stream bed.